Hello children, welcome back to the online class. Today we will do the ship of the desert. Question and answers part 1 for class 3. Now let's start with reading is fun. First question. Why is the camel called the ship of the desert? Camel को ship of the desert, रेगिस्तान का जहाज क्यों कहा जाता है? We have read the lesson, we should understand now. What is the answer for this? The camel is called the ship of the desert because it can live without food and water for many weeks. He is called the ship of the desert because he can live without food and water for many weeks. Question number 2. For how many weeks can a camel store food in its hump? For how many weeks can camel store food in its hump? जो camel है अपने hump में food को कितने time के लिए store कर सकता है? So answer is a camel can store food in its hump for 2 weeks. A camel can store food in its hump for 2 weeks. Now question number 3. What does the camel eat in the desert? Camel desert में क्या खाता है? The camel eats thorny bushes. What does camel eat? Camel eats thorny bushes in the desert. Let's read the question answers again. The camel is called the ship of the desert because he can live without food and water for many weeks. And answer number 2 is the camel can store food in its hump for 2 weeks. Answer number 3, the camel eats thorny bushes in the desert. What does camel eat? The camel eats thorny bushes in the desert. Now, next question. Question number 4. Choose the right answer. There are 4 options given to a question. Name the ship of the desert. Name the ship of the desert. And what is the right answer here? A is lion, camel, crab or tiger. The ship of the desert is camel. What is the right answer? Camel. Question number 2. Name the king of the forest. King of the forest. जंगल का राजा कौन है? Is it lion, monkey, owl or crocodile? Who is the king of the forest? Lion. The king of the forest is lion. Question number 3. The feet of the camel are thick and padded, thick and fat, long and fat, thin and padded. How are the feet of the camel? जो camel के feet है हमने क्या पढ़ा था उसको? कैसे थे? Thick and padded. उसके पाँव कैसे थे? Thick and padded. Next. There are no rivers or lakes in. Rivers और lakes कहाँ पे नहीं थी? Where were no rivers and lakes? Plain areas में, plateaus, mountains, desert. ठीक है? We have read something in the lesson about which place has no rivers or lakes. ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे rivers और lakes नहीं थी? Forest में था, desert में? Desert. जहाँ camel रहते हैं deserts में, there are no rivers or lakes. Next, at a time, a camel can drink 200 bottles of water, 100 bottles of water, 400 bottles of water, 300 bottles of water. Camel एक बारी में कितना पानी पीता था? We have read in the story. How much was that? 200 bottles of water. जो कैमल था वो एक बारी में 200 बॉटल्स पानी पी सकता था, क्योंकि वो हर रोज पानी नहीं पीता, वो हफ्ते में एक बार पानी पीता है. जब एक बार पानी पीता है तो वो लगभग 200 बॉटल्स के बराबर पानी पीता है. A camel stores its food in its stomach, legs, hump, lips. Where does camel store food? जो कैमल है वो अपने फूड को कहाँ स्टोर करता है? He stores in its hump. Camel stores food in its hump. Word building. Make as many words as you can from within the given words. The first one is done for you. The first one is roaring. Now there are 3 different words that have been made from this word. The first is in. Then ran. RAN, ran. And the third is roar. ROAR, roar. Now next word is frowning. First we'll make word in. Then next is OWN, own. Own. Next word is wing. WING, wing. WING, wing. Next is blinking. The first is KING, king. KING, king. Then INK, ink. Then BLINK, blink. Now next word is wandering. First word is WONDER, wander. Next word is RING, ring. And you can make one word or more, WON, one. And you can try for more words also. Let's read these words again. First was roaring. That was an example for you. We have made in, ran, roar. Next word was frowning. We made in, on, wing. Blinking. We have made king, ink, blink. Wanderingly, wander, ring, one. You will write these words very neatly in your notebook. Now we have completed with the exercises. You will do all these exercises very neatly in your notebook. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a wonderful day.